Friends, today we are going to see what is what is a voltage going to produce with each resistance, and also what is the current is produced as the each resistance. Okay, so what is voltage is going to produce at each resistance. Voltage is equal to question mark and current is equal to question mark for each resistance. Okay, so see here, it is R1, it is 4 ohms. Okay, R2 is 15 ohms, R3 is 10 ohms, R4 is 20 ohms. Okay, then R5 is 15 ohms. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn, okay, what is the current is produced each resistance, what is the voltage is produced by each resistance. Okay, so this circuit, first of all, I am going to modify for according to my convenient. Okay, so this circuit is going to became like this. See here, the resistance, this two resistance is in a series. Okay, so it is 10 and it is 20, it is a 10, it is going to be totally 30. Okay, this two, first of all, I am taken, it is in a series. Okay, so that two I am taken series, I am modifying the circuit like this. Okay, it is one resistance, it is another resistance, and it is another resistance. Here one resistance is there. So voltage applied here, the total voltage, it is 10 volt battery. Okay, so I modified the circuit like this. Okay, so we know from the circuit we know this is 4 ohms. Okay, and it is a 15 ohms. Okay, and this two I told it is a series, this two is in a series. Okay, 10 plus 20 will get us a 30. Okay, and again here is a 15, 30, 15. Okay, and here it is a 40, here it's a 4, and here it is a 10 volt. Okay, so now the voltage is applied is a 10 volt. The resistance here it is a 4 ohms. The resistance here it is a 15, and here it is a 10 plus 20 plus 10 will get us a 30 ohms, and this is a 15 ohms. So now we found what is resistance. Okay, and also I am going to teach you how to find the total resistance. Okay, first we will find what is the total resistance, this three. Okay, the same circuit, this circuit I modified like this. Okay, now I am going to find what is the total resistance. Okay, so 1 2 3, three resistance in parallel. So 1 divided by Rp is equal to 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. This three resistance in a parallel. Okay, so it is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 15. So we'll get 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 divided by Rp. So it is a total resistance for only three, that three resistance. Okay, it is in a parallel. So into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, we'll get as a common LCM. So denominator is going to be a 30. So it is a 2 plus 1 plus 2. So I'll get as a 5 divided by 30. It is called Rp. So I got as a 5 divided by 30. So Rp value, 1 divided by Rp is equal to, it is a 6. So 1 divided by 6. So Rp I got as a, it is a 6 ohms. Okay, Rp I got as a 6 ohms. So this total solution, I got as a 6 ohms. Okay, so this total solution I got as a 6 ohms. Okay, and here it is a 4 ohms, here it is a 6 ohms. Total battery is applied as a 10 volt. Okay, so now our circuit is going to modify again. Okay, so we have here it is a 4 ohms and a 6 ohms. So here it is a 4 ohms we have, and here it is a 6 ohms we have. Then I applied as a 10 volt battery. It is a 4 ohms, it is a 6 ohms, and it is a 10 volt battery. So it is a 10 volt battery. So now this two is in a series. Okay, it is a 4 plus 6 will get as a 10 ohms. Okay, the resistance is equal to 10 ohms, voltage is equal to 10 volt. Now the current is flowing in the circuit, I is equal to V divided by R. So V is 10, R is 10. So the current is flowing is 1 ampere. So in this total current is flowing in the circuit is 1 ampere. Okay, that means here it is 1 ampere, and here also it is 1 ampere. Okay, so here also it's 1 ampere, then it's coming out is 1 ampere. Here also it's 1 ampere. What about here? Here it's a question mark again. Okay, so now So I'll be showing with the, again it's what circuit we had initially. Okay, this is initial circuit. Okay, we found it is a 1 ampere current is flowing. So 1 ampere started from here. So 1 ampere. So 1 ampere is current is flowing here. Okay, so here it is a 4 ohms, here it is a 1 ampere. Okay, so now it is what is a voltage is going to produce. The question is what is a V and I for each resistance, that only we are going to find. First I will find here what is a voltage, what is a voltage at 4 ohms. Okay, so now we have, this is a battery, it is a battery plus minus, it's 10 volt battery. Okay, from the 10 volt battery it is a 1 ampere current is flowing. Here it is a 4 ohms and here it is a 6 ohms. Total resistance will be the 6 ohms here. Okay, only for this network. Okay, only for this network, only this network, it's totally it is a 6 ohms. 6 plus 4 will get as a 10 ohms. The current is flowing in a circuit is a 1 ampere. Okay, we know the current is flowing in a circuit is a 1 ampere. Now, so here it is current is I1 current, will take it I1 current and its resistance is a 4 ohms. Okay, V1 I am finding, V1 is equal to I1 R1. So this I1 I am taken. Okay, so it is a 1 into 4, I will get as a 4 volt. The 4 volt voltage, it's a net voltage at here it is a 4 volt. Okay, so 4 volt here. Totally I applied as a 10 volt. 4 volt is going with the 4 ohms resistor, that means here its voltage is 4. Okay, now remaining voltage will be for this. Okay, remaining voltage for this, it is called 6 volt. Okay, so that means the remaining voltage is for 6 volt for this. Okay, so it is 1 2 3, this 3 is in a parallel. Okay, this 3 is in a parallel. Okay, so here it is a 4 volt it is a 4 volt, it went out of 10 volt, 4 volt is for here. Okay, remaining 6 volt will be there. In parallel voltage is constant. Okay, in series current is constant, that means 5 ohms resistor have 6 volt, 30 ohms resistance have 6 volt, 50 ohms resistor have 6 volt. Okay, so in parallel voltage is constant. See now it is a 15 30 50. Okay, so 15 ohms the resistance, when the we will take it as R2. Okay, it is a 15 ohms. The voltage here it is a V2 voltage, will take it, it's a 6 volt. Okay, the resistance 3 here it is resistance 3, 10 ohms we are taken, for 4 is a 20, this together only we are given as a it's a 30 ohms. Okay, this will take it as a resistance as a 3 plus 4, resistance 3 plus 4 we are taken as a 30 ohms resistor, have the voltage combined together only, the voltage 3 is a 6 volt. Okay, again we have here 15 ohms. Okay, so R4 R5 it is we have 15 ohms, the voltage is going to be a voltage 4 is a 6 volt. Okay, so again I will tell you the voltage here it is 4 volt. Okay, current is 1 ampere. So 15 ohms it is 6 volt battery, it's a 6 volt because in parallel voltage is constant. 30 ohms 6 volt and 15 ohms 6 volt. Okay, voltage is constant in this 3 resistance. Okay, because in parallel voltage will be the constant. Okay, so 6 volt 6 volt 6 volt. Okay, now I2 is equal to it is V divided by R2, because in parallel voltage is constant, this V is 6 volt. Okay, so I2 is equal to V divided by R2. We know what is I2, we know what is it is V. I2 is equal to 6 divided by R2 is 15. So this 2 divided by 6. So I2 will get as it is 2 divided by, sorry, it is 2 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5, answer I2 is 0.4 ampere. So I2 current is flowing as a 0.4 ampere. Okay, I5 also is the same combination. Okay, we will take it as this as I4. Okay, I4 is equal to V divided by R5. Okay, V is it is a V is a 6, R5 is a resistance is a 15. So I4 I am going to get as a 0.4 ampere. Okay, again I will show the circuit. Okay, for this circuit here it is a 1 ampere. Okay, here it's going, it's 0.4 ampere. Okay, and here the current is 0.4 ampere. What about here? Okay, so in this point I am going to calculate now. See, it is 30 ohms resistance and the voltage is a 6 volt. Okay, we have the resistance is 30 ohms, voltage is 6 volt. Okay, so now I3 it is I4 we calculated, I3 we calculated, okay, sorry, I2 calculated, I3 is equal to, it is V3, V it's a constant, okay, divided by R total. So that going to be a 30 divided by 6 divided by 30, okay, I'll get as 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, the answer I'm going to get 0.2 ampere. So I3 I got as a 0.2 ampere, okay. So I will show again the original circuit, okay. So this is our original circuit, okay. So in this place the current is flowing 1 ampere, okay. So here it's in this point the current is divided as a 0.4, 0.4, 0.2 and again 0.4, okay. So now 0.4 ampere for this, 0.4 ampere for this, 0.2, everything is coming together here, okay. So everything is getting adding, so here we'll get again 1 ampere, okay. In this place 1 ampere, in this place 1 ampere, okay. Here 0.4, here 0.4 and here 0.2 ampere, okay, because according to the Kirchhoff first law, algebraic sum of all the current will be the same, okay. 1 ampere is going to split into 0.4, 0.2, 0.4, okay. Totally we'll get as it is 1 ampere, okay. Now in this circuit 1 ampere 0.2 current is flowing, 0.2 current is flowing, okay. In series current is constant, okay. So this is a 0.2 ampere, okay, for 20 ohms, and here we have 10 ohms, okay, it is 0.2 ampere because in series current is constant, okay. Now we know what is the current, we know what is the resistance, we can find easily what is the voltage, okay. So what is the voltage here? V is equal to IR, okay. So V is equal to IR. So I we know it is 0.2, R we know it is a 20, okay. It is 0.2 into 20 we'll get as a it is 20, it's a 4 volt. 4 volt. Again it is 10 into 0.2, okay. V is equal to 0.2 into 10, V is equal to 2 volt, okay. This two together I'll get as a 6 volt, okay. Now what is the question is they asked, okay, what is the voltage, what is the current for each resistance and each resistance, what is the current and voltage, okay. I'll tell you here what is the current. It's flowing 1 ampere current at 4 ohms. The voltage here it is a 4 volt, okay. Here it is a current is a 0.4, okay. The voltage, remaining voltage 10 minus 4 will get as a 6 volt, 6 volt, 6 volt, okay. In parallel voltage is constant. For 15 ohms 6 volt, this together 6 volt, this 6 volt, okay. The current is flowing here, it is a 0.4, the current is flowing this 2, it is 0.2 and the current is flowing here 0.4, okay. So this everything addition will get as a 1 ampere, okay. Now what is the voltage here, what is the voltage here? 0.2 into 20 will get as a 4 volt in this point, okay. We'll get 4 volt here and here we'll get 2 volt, 2 plus 4 will get as a 6 volt, okay. So thank you everyone. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.